Claude is now editing my videos end to end. All I have to do is drop in a raw file and it creates ready to post content for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. So even if you've never coded before or edited a video before, I'm gonna show you how to set up a Claude skill that lets you create ready to post content like this. I'm gonna be using this raw video here. It does have some spaces in it where I'm kind of just walking around silent, stopping and going here. See how it came out.
Is it possible to land a $2,000 client with a website you built in 20 minutes? One AI builder is doing it, and here's how. Chris Lee, like every AI builder online.
So here's how it works. You start by selecting the editor skill in Claude Code. Then you attach your raw video and describe in natural language any graphics or caption preferences you like. And just like that, a finished, ready to post video lands in a folder on your desktop. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Lenny, and my partner Terrell and I have been running an AI agency for the past 3 years, where we've helped businesses generate more than $10 million with AI. We also founded the Claude community with over 8,000 members who we help 10x their output by leveraging AI. Real quick, let's review what's happening under the hood when we run the editor skill. First, it listens to your raw video and turns your spoken words into text using a free open source transcription tool called Whisper. Then it finds the bad parts like long silences or shots where you stumble over your words and marks them for removal. Next, it hands the cut list to Claude, which decides how to put the final video together. It then renders the video in a tool called Remotion, which you can think of as a video editor that takes natural language as instructions. And finally, the most important part, it does a quality control sweep by comparing the output against an example clip you've provided as a reference. That's how you keep the quality sharp every single time. Quick favor, drop in the comments what skill you wish Claude had that it currently doesn't. So I build a Claude skill every week, and the next skill I'm gonna be building is gonna be the commented skill that gets the most likes in this video. FYI, I give these skills away for free in the Claude community, link in description. We'll start by downloading the Claude desktop app by going to claude.com/download and running the installer. Once it's installed and you have it opened up, you want to navigate to the Claude Code tab. Next, you'll have to actually download the Claude editor skill, and you can find the link to download that in the description. Once you've downloaded the editor skill, you'll want to navigate to the folder here in Claude Code. I put mine in my desktop, editor, skill, open it up, and the first thing we'll type is editor. It'll then ask you to add an example video to start your first edit. This example video is really important because, again, that's what's used for quality control. So you can add that example video just directly if you have it downloaded or by URL. And after we add the example video reference, everything else is going to be taken care of for us. Let's see this thing in action. I'm gonna be using this raw video here. And as you see, it does have some spaces in it where I'm kind of just walking around silent, stopping and going here, turning, doing a bunch of different stuff. So let's go ahead and select that. And once we have it selected, I'll also add the directions and just plain English of how I'd like it to be edited. I'd like you to edit this based on video example 2 and include captions. I also would like text on the video for the first 5 seconds. Quick tip, the better example video you provide, the better the output. And you can actually also add things like the video transcript with the raw file for the editor skill to edit, and it improves the output as well. So now that it just finished up the edit, let's review this video and see how it came out.
Is it possible to land a $2,000 client with a website you built in 20 minutes? One AI builder is doing it, and here's how. Chris Lee, like every AI builder online, he could spin up a premium looking website fast, but he noticed something nobody else was talking about. Everybody was racing to build faster, while nobody was racing to actually sell the work. So he flipped the game. He picks a target, let's say chiropractors, opens Claude Code in VS Code. 20 minutes later, a fully styled premium looking version of their website is ready. He screenshots it, drops it into a cold DM, asks if they want the full thing. 20 messages a day, some say no, some say yes. I recreated Chris's whole system, the Claude Code build skill plus a 20 message a day outbound strategy. So if you want it, comment site and I'll DM it to you.
Perfect. As you can see, this is a perfectly great, ready to post piece of content. Now, take note, not all videos are going to come out perfect. Sometimes you will have to prompt the Claude Code editor skill again to fix certain issues. And to reiterate, it does improve the total output based off of the quality of the example video, and if you add a transcript with the raw video file for the video output. And if you want to take this one step further, you can wire the output folder to a service like Amplify or Blotato, and they'll automatically post the content to TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube all for you. That turns this entire setup into a 100% hands-free content machine. So that's it. One Claude skill, end-to-end editing, ready to post content. If you want the editor skill, the link for it is in the description. And if you want to learn how we use Claude Code to build skills like this every week, come join us in the Claude community. Like and subscribe if you found this video valuable, and I hope to see you in the next one. Peace.